So y'all, I'm just getting in the house a few minutes ago. I wouldn't say a long day. Definitely was a long day, but I went to work and I had an appointment. I had an appointment with my doctor. I think I told you all in my last video that I had been getting bald spots from stressing. So it's alopecia due to stress. So I've been getting those quite often. It really seems like once COVID started, then I think I probably had maybe like 6 or 7. I can't even count anymore. It's just ridiculous. But it's all due to stress. So I had to find a way, figure out how to stop stressing. And I don't even think I stress, well, I know I do stress, but I think like unconsciously, like my mind is just going and I'm thinking of things way ahead, and that's stressing me out because I'm thinking of what I gotta do tomorrow, what I have to do Saturday, Sunday, things like that, when I shouldn't be thinking about those things, but that is what stresses me out. So I just have to take one day at a time and just focus on the day and focus on actually the minute of the day, just what I'm doing in the present, not concern myself with what's going on in the future, if that makes sense. So I had this chicken in the fridge, y'all, really since Friday. I thawed it out Friday. I was gonna make it, wasn't feeling well, left it in the refrigerator. So we're gonna see if I'm able to fix it. I did this before. I had the chicken in the fridge and I was gonna throw it away, and something told me, smell it first. So I always smell my food. I have a thing about smells anyway. So I always smell my food. So we're gonna do a little test right now. Let's see how the chicken smells. Nope, smells like chicken, so we're good. So I'm going to rinse this. Then I'm going to get green pepper, onion, and cut that up. And I'm gonna make, I guess you would say it's saute chicken, but I'm gonna put it on the stove and cook it. Oh yes, I was not sure. I was like, did I buy me some more teriyaki sauce? Yes, so glad. So if I wasn't using this, then I would use this sweet and sour. For some reason, I've used it before, but I keep grabbing for the teriyaki. Sometimes I'll mix it, and I might just do that. I might just put like a dash of the sweet and sour and the teriyaki. But anyway, let's get started. So y'all, I basically wanted to record, even though it is during the week, and I typically record really weekends because I work during the week, so it's hard for me to record during the week. But I was like, today I just need to get everything out in the open about just, you know, the whole stressing thing. I mean, because it really does bother me. It's like, there's no reason that I should be concerning myself with tomorrow when I know I should just be concerning myself with today. So that is getting to me now. It really is. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to really have to just, you know, step up my prayer game and spend more time with God. And every time, I said, you know what? Every time you think about stressing or you start thinking about something, then just pray and say, God, please take it away from me. Please remove it from my mind. I don't want to think about it. I don't want to stress. Please remove it from me. That's what I'm going to do every single time I start stressing. Because, again, like I said, it's just really getting to me. And I have to do something. The one thing I am really, you know, happy about is that even though I do get these bald spots, they can be covered. So I'm gonna turn around So the bald spot is in this area. I don't want to show it, but it's in that area. So each time I've gotten a bald spot, it's been in this area. And I can cover it, whether my hair is out and it's down, up in a ponytail, it's covered. So I am grateful for that. I thank God for that. And I can only imagine the people that can't cover, you know, theirs, you know, how they feel. So I'm like, you know what, you can really do something about it. You do not have to keep, you know, stressing about things, you know, whether you know you're stressing or you're not. Now, I'll be starting a new position soon. And I said to myself, I was like, nope, don't even think about it. You are not going to start stressing about it. Nope. So you want to get it together. I don't know what you're going to need to do, but you are not going to stress about it. And I mean what I say. I cannot no longer stress about anything. I had to just cut it out. So, I don't want to say enough of that, but kind of enough of that. So I'm making, like I said, chicken. What I'm going to do is cut up these vegetables. I have an onion. I'm going to cut the onion up. I'm going to wash the chicken, season it, and then I'm going to cook it. So just stay tuned.